Hi, I'm Candace, Global Trainer for Topcon Healthcare. In this video, we will be discussing the contact lens features of the CA-800. These features can be accessed immediately after testing a patient by selecting the Lenses tab next to Measurements, or later by opening an existing patient's results and then selecting Lenses. OD and OS will switch between the right eye and the left. Below that, you will see an image of the eye and a row of options above the image. The first option is Gallery. On the screen, you will see a simulation of a contact lens fit onto the patient's cornea. The green indicates simulated fluorescein dye seeping under the contact lens, indicating how good of a fit it is. You can change the contact lens brand, model, diameter, and base curve to see how this will change the fit. Note that the default lens brand can be changed in Settings. The Ref tab, or Refraction tab, allows you to enter the patient's refraction. Select the arrow icon in the lower right corner, then change the sphere, cylinder, and axis. For contact lens prescriptions, remember to set the vertex distance to 0. This can be easily accomplished by pushing the VD icon. KL displays the simulated keratometry values as well as the corneal diameter. TD, for tilt and decentration, allows the operator to alter the position of the simulated contact lens on the cornea. While on the gallery screen, the simulation from another topography, if one was acquired during this visit, can be selected by using the Add button. Profile shows a graph of how well the contact lens is fit to the cornea. The graph defaults to the axis where the lens fits best, but you can view a different axis by changing the value on the right. Select Map to return to the main lenses screen. Thank you for watching. For more information, please go to topconhealthcare.com.